welcome back to my channel. I am Lexi, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what makes you miss someone. Whether you're crushing on a new guy, whether you're in a relationship, whether you want to get back with your ex, or if you're married, I'm going to give you some pointers and some tricks on how to make him miss you. So let's get to it. Restrict social media usage. If you post a status or a picture, don't comment and don't like the picture right away. Maintain the idea that you're really busy instead of being really obsessed of his social media usage. And it might be so hard because he might look really cute on the last picture that he just posted, but you gotta be strong. Resist him now and he's gonna be yours later. Leave him craving for more. Just like our favorite food, if we taste something that tastes really good, then we definitely want more of it. When it comes to men, they want what they can't have. So give him just a little taste, but don't give it all. Challenge him. In this way, he's gonna appreciate you even more. And nurture your goals and passions. Don't put all your energy and just focus your everyday just on him. They definitely admire a woman that has everything going on for themselves. Spend at least 50% of your time with your own goals and your own life and everything that you can have going on, versus spending 90 to 100% of your time on the things that he does. Make him miss you like crazy when you're gone. And also establish open transparency since the beginning. Being open to where you're at, who you're with, where you're going. There's nothing wrong with sharing that. And it actually builds more respect, trust, and more communication. And if you're also dating somebody that doesn't want you to know where they're at, where they're going, or who they're with, what if he doesn't really take you seriously? What if he's in a different commitment? What if he has other people? Or maybe he just has commitment issues. But don't put too much effort into working something out with somebody that is really not committed to you, or working to work actively on building trust with you. If a man has nothing to hide, he should not have a problem with open transparency. The next one is leave him something of yours. Another good way for him to keep thinking about you is give them a little package. Give him a picture. Now, if you can cook, then cook his favorite meal. Most men are traditional, so they definitely love a woman that can cook. And food is definitely a way for us to show that we really truly care about him. Once you have him used to your dishes, randomly throughout the day, shoot him a text with a picture of what you're cooking for him, and right then and there, he's gonna start missing you. The next one is look fabulous when he sees you. There's nothing that's gonna make a guy miss you more, especially if you're looking really hot. He's gonna count the minutes and he's gonna count the hours until the next time that he sees you. So definitely get ready, get dolled up, look beautiful, smell great, and leave him drooling for you. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.